Project Easy Care pegs. Right, so I started off with a couple of A4 printouts off of Google Images searches. Right, so I then transferred them up into scale into these templates that should fit on a standard builder's plank, which I've got a few lurking about. So the plan is to cut a few rough, so cut it there. So I should get 3 pieces out of this bit of plank, and then we will go up to the bandsaw, which is a super cheapo bandsaw in my chaotic workshop. Right, let's go. Right, template. Some of these angles I couldn't get to, so I'm drawing them on the back. Hopefully I can get them this way. Finishing point of this is a pig needs a tail, so basically just drilled the hole and some of this window sash cord, which has been nicely wrapped and it's got a good curl to it. They've been wrapped around a broom pole for a while. So, pig's got a tail.
Ba ba da ba ba.